Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to clear cache and clear data in your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and try to clear cache, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings, scroll it down, and from here you need to click on general and click on iPhone storage. From here you need to check your storage. If your storage is full, then you need to delete some apps or some data that you are not using or that is not necessary for you. And guys, after this some memory will be released and all the caches will be removed. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to scroll it down and click on background app refresh, and from here you need to turn off all the apps from here. And after this your data automatically will be removed of your apps that you are using in background. And guys, after this simply you need to check for software update and you need to update your iPhone. And after doing this setting you need to open your Apple ID and now you need to click on your iCloud. And guys, after this you have to scroll it down and here you can see drive option. Simply you have to turn off your drive and turn off your iCloud backup. And guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, now you are all the memory and all the caches will be released and you will be able to use your iPhone smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.